Look what has arrived. Niabot na dun siya. Let's go unbox. It's a new photo book because I'm a photo book girly, so you can't let this pass. Hold, come on. Bigo. Jeno? It's Mark. It's finally here. Oh my god. I thought it's Jeno. It's like that. That. It looks like Jeno. Anyways. Oh my god. Wait, let me take a pic. Let's go. Ay, hindi siya flimsy. I love it. Nice paper. But, ano siya na. Oh my god, my nails so dirty. Stop! Asleep. I love it. Peppa asleep. We share our dreams with each other. We can meet anywhere. We can do anything together. But dream on that. That's so poetic, but slay. Slay. Same texture with narcissism. Slay. Sensitive dream, photo book, dream sharing package. Sweet. No, my sticker. Smells not so satisfying. Oh, I love the sticker. Easy peel. Easy peel to seal. Stop. Stop. Wait a minute. Oh my god, stop. Asleep. Let's just get everything out. Here you see the parents, but stop! Oh, wait a minute! Actually, and then Dream Sharing Package membership card. See, you can register your code and view content at the same time. Each account can register only one code. Slayage. Parents, shut up. Shut up. What do you want to do? We're not even in the photo book yet. Samain. We're not even in the photo book yet, but oh my god. Stop ka na, Mark. Stop ka na. Okay, there's nothing inside. Let's put it back. Let's put this one later. Continue. This is postal. Folded postal. Endless times. Slay lang. I love it. Oh, ASM Entertainment. Kailangan talaga andun sa likod. Di ba pwedeng wala na lang? SM Entertainment. Pwede bang wala na lang? Like, okay. Wala pa. I love the pages. Huy, first member, guess who? Park Ji-sung. Park Ji! Let's go! Should I show you? Sige na lang, I show you. Pugi ba? Kupugi. Guys, Pugi. I'm gonna show you. Ako naman. Barbie. Mark! Grabe ka na, Mark. Stop! Why? Why? Why do you look so good? Wee! Chunlai? Okay, it's Chunlai. Oh, stay, that face. Hello. Oh, this is Jenna too. Oh my god. Her. Jenna. Thank you. Pogi bases. Lumalaban ang eyelash ka na, Jemin. Jemin, ano masasabi mo? Lumaban pa. Kems. Diba na, Jemin? Let's go. The realest shit. I said what I said. Damn, these visuals. What? the photo. Oh my god. Wow. Ako na single. To share my love with you. Tapos, don't talk to me. Bakit naman? It's the family photo. Original. Hanggang at face tab, face economy, slow. Wow. Yeah. Yes. Very right. Tama so much. That's right. 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 Yeah, Dad. This pose is me. I'm dead because it's so pretty. Hello. Hello. Nakapa. I love the eyes, the emotions. Slay. Oh, I just said the eyes, and then they gave me the eyes. Slay. I'm dead. I'm dead. Wow. Jisoo is giving Slytherin. Okay. Okay, no. This is insecure 1 to 7. Pretty. What is it? Like cute. Wow, 정말 Thank you, Lord. Cutie. Her chan is the death of me. Her chan is the death of me because so pretty. Ganda na. Di ba? Ganon. Sorry. Why is this so small? Look at whole page. Hello? Gonna... Because what is this face? This is space economy. This is planet economy. The whole world. Save the best for the last, diba? Hello? I was like, where's my iPad? This is my iPad's wallpaper. Slay. Bye. Mega mind. Mega mind. Anyways. Lip tint. This is lip serum. Hala, ba't ko sinake? Ang vuvu. Bobski. Anyways. It's a lip tint na lip serum. Parang may ano sa camera. It's not. Ganyan talaga ba ang camera ni Kai today? Anyways, I have an unboxing to do. I'm watching Ate Hazel because I'm missing watching vlogs. I haven't been watching vlogs yun kasi. I've been watching NCT contents lang. Every time I open YouTube. Or Stephanie Su. Anyways, let's unbox this. I have a story. But before that, let's just unbox it. It's unwrapped basically because this is not a box. Duh. Very hard to open on time. Slay! Slay ko naman. Hala? Bakit hindi nakabak? Ay, buti walang ano. But this is J. Finally! I have 2 copies now. The other one is nasa Philippines. Not yet in the Philippines pala. On the way to the Philippines, my seller na binilhan is sa Korea niya ata binili. But anyways, on the way to Philippines, And basta mamaya ang story. Let's just unwrap this one. J&J first album LP version with tracking, Slayful. I don't have sleeve na, so I'm just gonna keep this, and then I'm gonna buy sleeves because I have a lot of vinyl right here na no sleeve. They don't have sleeves yet, so let's just see. This is my first copy. I don't have the CD versions. This is my first copy. And as usual, we're gonna get this one later na pag we have a new sleeves. Anyways, this is my first copy because hindi pa ako bumili ng CD versions because I don't have space. No, I have space na because I thrown some of the box. What? Tinapon ko na yung ibang boxes, tapos I transferred some photo books here. Right there, photo books. So those were full of photo books, and then there's boxes right here, so I round them out and then transferred to make some space. So I have space now. I can buy new albums, but I haven't bought any because I don't have money. But I do have money for this. Anyways, my first copy of my favorite album of the year. Yes, I said it. This is my favorite album of the year. Anyway, so as usual, SM Entertainment, they don't have any photo cards when it comes to LPs, but they have square albums, square posters. Oh, grabe naman talaga, Jung Jae-yong. Talaga naman. There's nothing sa likod, so huy, grabe talaga ang kuya ko na this. Slayful. Oh! Huy, Slayful. Dapat full page. Dapat full page. Oh, diba? I like this. Oh my god, I like this. Oh, I like this. I like this. I like this. Oh my god, I like this. Oh, this is that. This is the lyric book. This is the lyric book. Talaga naman, Jung Jae yun. Opo. Excuse. Just ate kasi. I just ate. Jung Jae. Hoy. Visuals yan naman. Opo. So I have 2 copies of this now. The other one will stay sa Philippines muna. I don't know how I'm gonna get that kasi the seller is not gonna ship it to internationally. So there's that. Anyways, oh my god, Slay. What I like about SM Entertainment vinyl versions is that they have anti-static. That's so Slayful. But this one is, ay, nakadikit siya. I don't like it, but anyways. That's so Slayful. They have anti-static already. Let's check. Initial check if we can see some dents or whatever. Good naman siya, yeah. Wait, ano yun naka? Hey, I love it! There's Jaehyun. There's a Jaehyun right here. You can see it, but there's a Jaehyun in Korean, in Hangul. Jaehyun. Yeah. Small details. But you can see me there. Hi, that's me. Anyways. You know what? Why is it in regular black? SM could have done like clear vinyl with gray swirl. Diba? Because para gray is like smoke. Because Jayan has a song called Smoke. Gets ba? So it would be so cool sana. But regular black, standard black pala, standard black. We love it. Okay, we love it. Don't get me wrong. We love black ones. It sounds better in black. But, diba, it could have been so slayful if there's another version. Like, clear vinyl with gray swirl. Diba? Diba? That's basically the unboxing. That's basically what's inside. Slay. Yun lang. We're gonna play this tomorrow morning. So today, tonight, I'm gonna share the whole story of this one because how did I end up having 2 copies? Syunga-syunga kasi si girl. No, hindi syunga-syunga. I don't have money. Don't have money when the pre-order opened. And I'm like, tanggap ko nang hindi ako magkakawa. But I was like, hindi ako I'm not gonna give up. You know, I'm gonna find a way. So I found a way. Amazon. So Amazon, I can just use AUPay, which is phone credit. And then I was like, sige, ito na, go. For 10,000 yen, diba? 10,000 yen siya, girl. At that time, for pre-order. Turns out, after 2 months of waiting, kinancel nila yun because wala silang stock. Because, there's another story for that. Because, sa pre-order process pa lang sa Jayon Vinyl, there's so many orders na kinancel ng SM Entertainment and other stores, I think, because this is actually limited talaga. I think, I don't know how many, but it's limited. So, there's so many orders na kinancel because wala na, sobra na ang orders. So, what's the point of pre-order? So, I think the seller sa Amazon is one of those na na-cancel yung kanila. So, they don't have stock. Pero 2 months pa. 2 months? Almost 1 month and a half, I think. Tsaka nila kinancel yung akin. So, the whole time, I was thinking, baka nga meron. You know, baka it went through. My order went through. Baka meron. I could have find something in advance. Kasi yun. So, after that, I was like, I was gonna find na lang, after na-cancel yung akin, I was like, I'm gonna find na lang sa Mercari. Tapos sa Mercari, 20,000 yan. Taka si Mercari. I'm like, forget it. Next year na lang. I'm like, next year na lang. I'm gonna find a copy next year. You'll never know, baka may mag-sell. So fast forward, last week, Rose released her amazing album. Congratulations, my mother. I love it so much. And then that's when I learned that the Rose album has vinyl version. So I started searching for the vinyl. Kaso it's only in the US, UK, Australia, I think, and then Canada, I think. So there's no Asia. But thankfully, there's this store sa Japan, online store, called QOO10. That's where I pre-ordered my Rosie vinyl. And then I was like, hello, let me try to check for the Jayon. But I was like, burden sa Amazon. I don't know why I did not try to check sa QOO10. But then, yun nga, I went to Amazon. Let's just see. Hala, nasa Amazon na siya, guys. For 8,000 yen. 8,000 yen nasa Amazon. But it's too late. It's too late. Because I already ordered sa Twitter. I already ordered sa Twitter. I was thinking, hala, pero what if na-scam ako sa Twitter? So just to make sure, I have a copy. Pumili na lang ako. So if hindi ako na-scam sa Twitter, I have 2 copies. If na-scam ako, what the fuck, diba? Kung na-scam, edi what the fuck. Pero kung hindi, we have 2 copies. If na-scam, what the fuck. Period. Ganun lang. Ay, the Jayon nga naman. Opo. 8,000 yen na lang siya. And there's like 5 5 items left, I think. And then I'm like, ala, baka makubusan talaga ako. 9,990 na siya. 8,000 pa lang siya when I ordered it. Value Zone JP from Value Zone JP. Slay. So yeah, I got it sa Amazon. Because if sa Mercari, it's 20,000 yen. Grabe naman, napaka-OA. Anyway, so we have it. The only complaint I have is, why is this black? We could have done clear vinyl or moreover, maybe brown. Diba? Kasi that's brown. So what if brown? Or orange? What if orange? Diba? Why black? Why black? Why black? Even Espa vinyl is like black. They could have done it like green. Like, why black? What? Now I have it. Let's play this tomorrow while I will clean my room. It looks clean, but it's not. It's so many dust in this room. Slayful naman. Like, so random lang talaga yun sa Twitter. I was like, hala, what if mag-search ako sa Twitter? Baka may nagsisell. Then I search, and then may nakita ko. I tried to, kay ate. Si ate, sino yan? I tried to tell her na, ate, that's my favorite vinyl. That's my wish list for this year. Please, wag mo akong scam. Pero she always updates me with the order naman. Like, dumating na po siya sa KR address. Ano na po, ganito, ganyan. So, yeah. Slayful. I bought it sa Twitter for 2,900 something pesos. So, yeah, slay. This is way more expensive than that, I think. 8,000 yen. Same lang. 2,000, 3,000, yeah. So, yun. With the 2,990 just for the item alone. Not included ang international shipping fee and local shipping fee. So, yeah. I have two versions. That one, I will not open that one. It will stay like that, as pristine as it is. Less playful. Pajayo. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, because I'm a Bisaya girly and I'm trying to speak in Tagalog so everyone can understand. Hala, I get Chunjayo dapat. This is actually so slayful. I love it so much. This is how you do an album cover, you know. But anyways, slay. Thumbnail. Ay. By the way, I removed my silicone cover. Wala lang. Parang I miss seeing it in naked form. Yeah, slay. Parang alien si auntie nyo. This one is not good to use if you have this headset because it hurts. This one hurts your, like, the side of the ears. So when I'm using this, I use my other eyeglasses. So thick right here. It hurts. I use this one instead. This one does not hurt. Gets niyo ba? These are both Blue Elephant. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Good morning. It's morning already, but you can see it because I don't have any window. So yeah, it's 8:34. JM, as I promised, that we're gonna play this the next day. Beach. It broke. I need a new sleeve. Side B, side A. I'm gonna play one song now, my favorite. Song 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a secret. I'm not gonna tell you what's my favorite song. What? Yo. I see. Very nice, very nice. Make it easier. You so put it on. I'll take you out. Skip this.